Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu states, when Banu Qurayza climbed down from the fort of the behest of Hazrat Sa'ad bin Mu'adh radiyallahu anhu, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam sent for Hazrat Sa'ad. He whereupon came to the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam riding an ass. When he reached near the mosque, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam said to the helpers, stand up for the respect of your chief, or said, for the best of you. He sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam then said, they have ascended as per your command. Hazrat Sa'ad bin Mu'adh radiyallahu anhu whereupon submitted, kill the combatants amongst them and hold their children as captives. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, you have made the decision in accordance with that of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. And sometime he sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, you have issued a decree in accordance with that of the king, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4571.